So thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another hashtag Real Talk Tuesday video. Another disappointing week because Prajakta is clearly not very good at managing her time and her schedule, and she wants to do everything, and then she ends up at 10:30 p.m. on Tuesday nights talking to y'all because I feel like I can. एक बात है जो रिक्रिएटिंग माई फॉलोअर्स इंस्टाग्राम वीडियो है वो वाला आधा बन चुका है, बाकी बनना बाकी. आई एम रियली सॉरी गाइज, द डेज हैव बिन क्रेजी. आई वुडंट आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग डिफरेंट दो. माई डेज हैव बिन क्रेजी एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग. ओके, आई एम जस्ट लाइक थोड़ा बहुत मैं तुम लोग पे डिपेंडेंट हूँ कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, समझ जाएंगे. बट I had to make this video because it's very, very close to my heart. I thought tomorrow's Teachers' Day, so I absolutely need to talk about it because I have grown up knowing amazing teachers. I have grown up in the company of great, very, very intellectual, smart, wise people who have taught me so many things in life, and I thought I should talk to you about it. So basically, when I was younger, nursery में जब मैं थी तो I had Shalini teacher. Shalini teacher was my first teacher, my first school teacher. I was in nursery. And I remember 10th standard तक मैं, because I was in the same school for all 10 years, 10th standard तक मैं every teacher's day जाती थी because like our classes were on top and the play school and nursery wing of the school was नीचे, so I used to go to meet Shalini teacher, and she used to remember me. She's my first teacher. So Shalini teacher, if you're watching this, I miss you so much, and I am really hoping that you are doing very well. Then I remember I had Bapu sir who taught me, who was my PT teacher, and उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्पोर्टी बनाया. Like I never think of myself as a very sporty person, but thanks to him I started like doing hurdles and runs, and that was a very crucial, and like that happened at a very crucial time because at that time I wasn't doing very well with grades. So sports was a very good way for me to sort of like deal with it. Another teacher I really remember is Anil sir. Anil sir taught me math and science. Sorry about that. But if you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Prajakta and I absolutely suck at math. 8th, 9th or 10th. What the hell? There you go. Sorry, I was eating my hair. 8th, 9th and 10th standard में I had Anil sir who taught me math. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव इट, जो बच्ची बिल्कुल मैथ बुक खोलती ऐसी रहती थी कि भैया ये क्या है, ये मेरे साथ क्या हो गया, लाइफ में ट्रेजेडी, जीवन खराब, वो बच्ची आई हैव स्कोर्ड लाइक इन अलजेब्रा एंड ज्योमेट्री. आई हैव एक्चुअली स्कोर्ड लाइक second place. I've bagged second place in the class, in the entire section and stuff like that, and Anil sir taught me. I remember एक, और उनके ना concepts बहुत अलग होते थे. I remember एक concept उनका ये था कि what is a catalyst. I always use this word. So basically if you're doing science 1 which is chemistry, I think chemistry or physics, जिसमें catalyst ये term होता है. So जब दो atoms का reaction चल रहा होता है, कई बार ऐसे होता है कि कोई third atom उस reaction में physically involved भी नहीं होता है, but उस atom के उस रिएक्शन में प्रेजेंस से भी वो ये इन दो एटम्स का रिएक्शन बहुत फास्ट होता है. सो ऐसे उनके बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते थे जिससे मेरे लिए मैथ्स एंड साइंस बिकेम सो ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई रिमेंबर हैविंग श्याम सर इन कॉलेज who trusted me so much, who was okay with me not attending lectures because I was always doing theatre or dramatics or stuff like that, when I was always hosting, and I have like done my share of F-ups in college, but he was always there with me. And not to forget, I had my parents. My father actually, although I went to an English speaking school, my father was the one who actually helped me learn English the most, क्योंकि बाबा को खुद को इंग्लिश बोलनी नहीं आती थी बिल्कुल भी. तो because he went to a Marathi medium school, तो इसीलिए जब घर पे टीवी और डीवीडी प्लेयर आया तो आई रिमेंबर बाबा बाइंग लोड्स एंड लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ डीवीडीज विद सबटाइटल्स. जिनके सबटाइटल्स नहीं मिलते थे उनको बाबा बार बार देखते थे, टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, और उनके साथ बैठ के मैं देखती थी. जब मैंने इंग्लिश और ज़्यादा बोलना सीखा, विच इज़ वाई इफ़ यू सी माई एक्सेंट, इट्स नॉट, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टेल मी आई हैव गॉट अ वेरी वियर्ड एक्सेंट. लाइक it's not like what I learnt in school, but it's also not like it's not American or something like that. It's very adapted from watching a bunch of movies of different accents and ethnicities. Mama, because Mama taught me how to like stay, like a lot of times ऐसा होता है कि दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है and I'm very impulsive, you know, but I think she taught me to stay very, very, very level-headed over all kinds of situations. My sister has been a massive, massive part in me learning things in life. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि मैं किसी से भी कभी उतनी इंस्पायर हुई हूँ जितनी मैं बरखा से होती हूँ. She is the most hardworking, the most honest, the most wise person, one of the most wise people I have in my life. इस चक्कर में कुछ भी होता है तो इसीलिए blind advice लेती हूँ मैं दीदी से, and I have learned from her that like she sees me in a way, और मैंने अपने आप को अगर आधे भी उस लेवल तक देख लिया ना, I'll achieve a lot of things. So I have learned that from her. I've learned to envision life. I've learned to aim and have like bigger ambitions. And then I met Sudeep, and I'm in his house right now. His wife is right there. She's like, okay, you film your video, I'm gonna be in. And I have only learned hard work and persistence and a good mood. If there's anything I learned the most from Sudeep is like how much difference it makes when you walk into a room and your mood is good. Like you could walk into a room like this and everyone's gonna hate you, but you could be having your worst day. Everyone else in the room could be having their worst day, but you enter a room like that and everyone's gonna love you. Things turn around, things are great. जैसे आज मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि I was running around, I was filming. We filmed a really cool collab for Nick's channel, by the way. It'll be up soon, I'm guessing in a week. वो करके I was driving back home. I was having like a very super occupied, lengthy, draggy day क्योंकि ये वाला वीडियो मुझे करना था और करने का टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. अभी भी मैं कर रही हूँ तो if you notice it's going up unedited. I do not have time to edit this video and upload it क्योंकि फिर तब तक बच जाएंगे 12, ठीक है, और व्रत टूट जाएगा. तो I actually met a viewer who made this massive painting for me, and he got my face tattooed on his left arm. And I was just like, that turned my entire day around. So that is what I've learned from you. So you guys are like massive teachers. मेरे को याद है जब the channel wasn't doing that well, you were my most honest teachers. मतलब तुम लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि सुनो ये काम कर रहा है, ये काम नहीं कर रहा है, या ऐसे किया करो, हमें वो देखना पसंद है, या ये try करो. When I was going through tough times, when I was going through tough times, you guys were there. So on Teachers Day, I just wanted to sit down and remember and thank everybody who has taught me so much in my life. I can never forget GP, I can never forget Saurav, who like entire One Digital, my friends. Overall, I just feel like I'm touch wood. I just feel like I'm in such a blessed environment 24/7. It's crazy. So I wanted to make this video and tell you that, you know what, कभी कभी हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं यार. मतलब हम कभी कभी रियलाइज़ नहीं करते हैं कि हर इंसान का हमारी लाइफ में होने का कोई मकसद होता है. और you know, pick things up. A lot of people ask me, who's your idol? Who's the one person you look up to? I do not have one person I look up to. I have like so many people. I just named some of them. There are so many people. I frankly believe that every person I meet has something great about them. My fellow creators, they are amazing. I learned so many things from them. So I just, let's never stop learning, okay? Let's never feel like we are okay. Let's not ever feel like we know everything. Let's just share information and have amazing people in our lives. And this Teachers Day, let's sort of swear to never stop learning, you know, because it's amazing. It's amazing what people can teach you. It's amazing how much a person has been through, and everybody has their own struggles and their own victories, and they just guide you through yours. So it's great. I hope you have such people in your life too. I am very blessed, I always say that. But happy Teachers Day, guys. My mama is a teacher too, so ma, happy Teachers Day. Wish her in the comment section below, please. Her name is Archana Kori. Please wish Archana Kori, teacher, a very happy Teachers Day. I'm so sad I won't be able to see her all day tomorrow, but tomorrow evening hopefully I get to see her. I'm gonna go now. And it was I don't know if you enjoyed, but I really liked like sort of thinking about Oh God, I've been so. I remember मैं एक बारी मेरे ड्राइंग टीचर ने मेरा कान खींच लिया था and I was मतलब मेरा ईगो इस हद तक हर्ट हो गया था ना कि मतलब आज तक किसी ने मेरे को कभी पनिश भी नहीं किया, तुमने कान खींच लिया पूरे क्लास के सामने. But now I think about it and I feel so good about it. So please tell me your teacher stories. Who are your favorite teachers and what did you learn from them? Do you have anything that happened with you and your teacher where you just like wow, taken away? कि यार, I'm sure everyone has like a favorite teacher. Put it in the comment section below. I'd love to talk about this. Guys, I'm just so happy. I just want to tell you thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being my friends, my teachers, and happy Teachers Day to you. I'm gonna go now. This Thursday, what's coming up is actually something that has been requested by a lot of you for a very long time. और मैंने एक साल में वो किया नहीं है. It's not something you'll be surprised with. It's just like, whoa, it's like that. I'm gonna go, okay? Again, I'm sorry I couldn't put up the recreational video. And I've been putting like 2 consecutive Real Talk Tuesday videos. I'm really sorry, but I'm trying my best. I promise, okay? Don't leave me, not now. I'm gonna go. I'll see you on Thursday until we meet. Love.